Hare Krishna students, if you want to follow my class for now or for afterward, so that you have to do only one work, that is you have to press that subscribe button. Okay, that's all. Hare Krishna students, please open your book, page number 93. Today you are going to start midterm syllabus. Okay, as well as I will give you that test. I will take test also. Okay, that test link I am giving now every day from pre-midterm. Those things will be continue, and with this we will start midterm syllabus also in CW. So CW I will give from midterm, and for HW I will give from midterm. So we will continue together. Okay, because now also school is not opening. What to do? We have to continue now. We cannot stop. Maybe any day school will open and we are having exam. So for that we have to be prepared. So this is also your midterm syllabus. Yeah, maybe you are thinking why I am not starting from first side. That means there are poems, stories are there. Because these are the grammar's base part. If you learn this part nicely, then those part also easy for you. So that you have to learn first grammar base these things first. That's why I am teaching you these things first. That's why please open your book, page number 93. Okay. Now see. First we will learn about Vibhakti. We are having 7 type of Vibhakti. Prathama, Ditya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. And one Sambodhan. Sambodhan means actually calling. Okay. According to this, we are having our Karak also, as same as Bengali. Bengali also you are having Karak. In Sanskrit also we are having Karak. Now, if we are asking a question, suppose I am asking one question, who is going? If you say that Ramaha Gacchati, that means Ram is going. That time we will use Prathama Vibhakti. And Ram means it is a subject, that means Karta. We can say Karti Karake Prathama Vibhakti. Understand? If we ask one question by who, whatever answer will come, that is only Prathama Vibhakti. That is only Karta, and in Karta we can use Prathama Vibhakti. If we will ask to whom, you are giving your book. To whom? To the teacher. So, to whom? To the teacher. That is called, whatever answer is coming, that is called karma. And karma karake ditiya vibhakti. Karti karake prathama vibhakti. Karma karake ditiya vibhakti. Okay. And karta means subject, karma means object. So, S sign for subject and O sign for object. First understand this part. Then come to Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. This part is very much easy because you already learned Prathama Vibhakti. What? You know na Balakoha, Balako, Balakaha. See, as same as Suryaha, Suryau, Suryaha. And what is the Ditya Vibhakti? Balakam, Balako, Balakan. Am I right? Now see, as same as like this. Suryam, Suryau, Suryan. Now go to next page. See, Debaho, Debo, Debaha, Debam, Debo, Deban. So understand all masculine gender should be as same as like this. Now, only Prathama and Ditya in your syllabus. That's why I am teaching you only Prathama and Ditya. And others no need to learn now. But shortly I want to tell you, just shortly. Prathama Vibhakti for subject, am I right? Where we will use Ditya Vibhakti? In object, that means to whom or to what. What also? Ditya Vibhakti, okay? What I am eating? I am eating chowmin. That is also Ditya Vibhakti. And Tritiya, for Tritiya is with. Okay, with or by Titiya Vibhakti. Chaturthi Vibhakti for, I am writing here better. Prathama for subject or name. Ditya to. Tritiya with or by. Your choice, you will write or not. I will not say you. But don't ask afterward. Chaturthi for. Panchami from. Wherever this type of meaning will come, we will use that vibhakti. But in your syllabus, you are having only Prathama and Ditya. So these two you will learn. But others you have to just know. This is actually apostrophe S. That means, like we can say na, teachers, brothers, mothers, mane kar eta. Bhaier, mayer, babar, dadar, like this, brothers, mothers. For that we can say na, apostrophe S, those things. Saptami. Saptami actually in, at, on, like time, many things like this. Okay, and Samadhan means calling. Okay. Now we are having only Prathama and Ditya. Now see only example from here. See, Balakah patati, Kaha patati, that means who is reading? Balakah patati. Balakah, now Ditya. Balakah pustakam patati. So Balakah kim patati. That means the boy what? The boy what is reading? Or we can say what he is reading, what the boy is reading. Or we can say what the boy is doing. We can say pustakam patati. This type of question, if only what will come, then it will be Ditya Vibhakti. Okay. For subject or for name, Prathama Vibhakti. Or if we will use to or what, that time Ditya Vibhakti. Here this is Ditya Vibhakti and here this is Prathama Vibhakti. So we have to write here what also. Okay. Now go to next page. This is actually what? Strilinga Sabdaha. You know na, Lata Late Lataha. See, as same as like this. Kala Kale Kalaha. Now see the Ditya Vibhakti. This is new for you. Especially those are new, that this is fully new for you. So remember please. Kala Kale Kalaha. Kalam Kale Kalaha. Okay. Now see the next one. Mahila. Mahila Mahile Mahilaha. Mohilam Mahile Mohilaha. So all feminine gender are same. So go to the next page. See. Mala Male Malaha. Malam Male Malaha. Understand? All are same. Only you are having Prathama and Ditya. Now go to neuter gender. Neuter gender easiest things, because why it is easy? See, Phalam Phale Phalani, Phalam Phale Phalani. See, one more. Griham Grihe Grihani, Griham Grihe Grihani. Here one thing remember, see. Grihani, here Ana. Please remember this one, because this is very much important and this is exceptional. Please remember this Ana, okay. Griham Grihe Grihani, Griham Grihe Grihani. Okay. Prathama and Ditya, both roop are same. Phalam Phale Phalani, Phalam Phale Phalani. Both roop are same. Prathama and Ditya, both roop same. Now go to next page. Chakram Chakre Chakrani, Chakram Chakre Chakrani. Okay. So this much only your syllabus for this part. This part means I can say that Karak part. Okay. And these things no need. Okay. So only do up to this much only today's CW. Okay. Do in your book only.